In a cocktail shaker, add 1 teaspoon of spiced honey syrup, 1/8 ounce of St.Germaine Elderflower Liqueur, 1/2 teaspoon of pea flower extract, 2 ounces of Hendrick's gin, 1 tablespoon of pasteurized liquid egg white, and 2 dashes of Scrappy's lavender bitters, and dry shake to create a foam and emulsify the egg. Then add ice to your cocktail shaker, shake to chill, then strain into a chilled cocktail coupe. Garnish with a fresh mint sprig, then top your foam with some extra pea flower drops, and serve. You have just created the cocktail purple, a movie-inspired cocktail from martinidiva.com.